In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten dark footage in Davinci Resolve with an easy post-production tutorial designed for 2025. This video is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their video editing skills or simply improve the quality of their dark footage. So let's dive right into it. To start this process, we'll first need to open the Davinci Resolve software. This powerhouse of a tool is developed by Blackmagic Design and is widely used by professionals in the film and television industry for post-production editing. Once you have Davinci Resolve open, your first step is to click on a project. If you don't yet have a project, you can easily create a new one by following Davinci Resolve's simple project creation process. This software is user-friendly, and its project dashboard is brilliantly designed to help you navigate with ease. Once you've loaded your project, it's time to go to the color page. This is a critical step because it's where all the magic happens when you're working on color correction. The color page in Davinci Resolve offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you adjust various color properties to match your creative vision or to correct any inconsistencies in the footage. There's an array of tabs and scopes, but don't feel intimidated. We'll focus on what we need. Now on the color page, direct your attention to the curve icon. Click on it to open up the curve editor. This tool is incredibly powerful, allowing you to adjust the image's brightness, contrast, and color balance. It provides a visual graph with a diagonal line where you can place control points. Here's why the curve tool is so valuable. It gives you the freedom to make very nuanced changes to the tonal range of your footage. The line starts with the shadows at the bottom left, moves through the midtones in the middle, and ends with the highlights at the top right. To brighten your footage, you need to adjust this curve. Start by dragging the middle part of the curve upwards. This action will lift the midtones and brighten the overall image. Be careful with this adjustment, a little goes a long way, and you don't want to overexpose your footage. You can also slightly lift the curve near the highlights for a brighter effect, but keep an eye on any clipping in the brighter areas. As you're adjusting, check the waveform monitor on the right. This will help ensure that your image retains its detailed highlights and shadows. It's crucial to find a balance that enhances visibility while maintaining the artistic integrity of your footage. And there we have it. With some practice, these adjustments will become second nature, helping you transform dark footage into vibrant, beautifully lit content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our video editing tutorials.